In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to verify your PayPal account using a virtual phone number. First, head over to paypal.com and log in or create an account. After that, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number. Now let's get a virtual phone number. One great way to get one is through apps like Hushed or Vertanum. These apps let you create a temporary phone number quickly. Download either of the apps from App Store or Google Play and sign up. Once you're in, choose a virtual number for your verification. Now head back to PayPal and enter the virtual phone number you just created. PayPal will send a verification code to that number. Now return to the app to check for the verification code. Once you see it, copy the code. Finally, paste the code back into the PayPal verification page, and you're done. Your PayPal account is now verified using a virtual phone number.